Now we'll study the neutralization experiment. This comes for 8 marks. These experiments are called as physical experiment. See, the aim of experiment is to determine the enthalpy of neutralization of strong acid 0.5 molar HCl and strong base 0.5 molar NaOH solution. Now you are knowing neutralization reaction is acid plus base. It will give salt and water. So this neutralization reaction, theoretically it is observed that minus 57.3 kilojoule, and we have to find out practically how much will be the heat of neutralization reaction is there. So for this we will require 0.5 molar HCl solution, which I have prepared, and used 0.5 molar NaOH, that also I have prepared. And today we have follow the procedure. The procedure is, we have to take 50 ml of 0.5 molar HCl in a clean and dry polythene bottle and record its temperature T1, and same thing we have to do for NaOH. We have to record the temperature T2, and T1, T2 we have to write down separately. And in the polythene bottle we have to add means both the solution we will mix and note down the T4 temperature. T3 जो है वो आपका मीन रहेगा T1 और T2 का. So this procedure we are going to follow. Watch the video carefully. I will do the procedure. See, this is the thermometer which we are going to use. In this thermometer, this is the red bulb. Mercury is there and marking is there. See, 0 to 10 there are 10 lines. So one line corresponds to 1 degree Celsius. 20 to 30 there are again 10 lines, so one line corresponds to 1 degree Celsius. Now this is showing 31 degree temperature, or 32, nearly it is 32 degree Celsius. Now we have to note down the temperature of HCl, that is T1. HCl I have measured in the measuring cylinder. Now I will measure its temperature T1. How to measure the temperature? Take the solution, dip the thermometer in the solution. Just wait for few seconds so that it will attain a normal temperature, and we will note down it. तो आपको ये टेम्परेचर T1 नोट डाउन करना है, वो HCl का होगा. दिस इज HCl, 0.5 molar HCl solution is prepared, and I have taken 50 ml of 0.5 molar HCl solution. Now we will see that the temperature of HCl will comes as, see, all these temperatures will come according to the room temperature. जैसे उनका उस दिन का टेम्परेचर रहेगा वैसे ये आ जाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं कि अभी कितना आ रहा है तो जब आप करोगे तो सेम रीडिंग आएगी, ऐसे नहीं है. बिकॉज इट concentration it depends on, see, volumes are dependent on temperature. So now I am observing here that it's a 31 degree Celsius. Even you can also see. So 31 is our T1. So we will note down as T1 temperature of HCl. आपको अभी रीडिंग नहीं है ध्यान में रखना है, आपको प्रोसीजर देखना है, हाउ वी हैव टू डू इट. सो दिस इज माय HCl solution. I have measured the temperature of this solution. Now I will transfer this HCl in a clean, I will clean this again with the water. And transfer this solution. At this time it is not reacting because only HCl solution is there. Now we have to take the second reagent, wash the measuring cylinder with the water, and freshly prepared sodium hydroxide solution is there, and its concentration is 0.5 molar. Now I will take 50 ml of 0.5 NaOH solution. So this is the measuring cylinder. We have to measure the solution using measuring cylinder. धीरे धीरे आपको एक्यूरेट मेजर करना है. एक्सेस भी नहीं चाहिए, कम भी नहीं चाहिए. मार्किंग्स आर देयर. You will see at your eye level still one drop is less. When you will see with your eye level, you will find that the lower level of the solution is coincide with the mark. Now 50 ml is measured. This is the NaOH solution. For this also we will measure the temperature of NaOH solution. Watch the thermometer. Again insert in the NaOH solution. पहले हमने HCl का टेम्परेचर नोट डाउन किया, अभी हम NaOH का टेम्परेचर नोट डाउन करते हैं. थोड़ा देर टाइम रुकते हैं बिकॉज दिस सोल्यूशन शुड अटेन द नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर. और थर्मामीटर भी थोड़ा रीड करेगा टेम्परेचर. सो विल वेट फॉर फ्यू सेकेंड्स. It is observed that its temperature is 30 डिग्री सेल्सियस. थोड़ा कम ज़्यादा होता है, जितना आता है आपको उतना नोट डाउन करना. थोड़ा रुकते हैं सो दैट इट विल अटेन द टेम्परेचर. सो वॉट एवर रीडिंग you will get, you have to note down, write down as a T2. Now after this one procedure is there, you have to find out T3. T3 means it is a mean of T1 and T2. So add both the temperature, divide by 2, you will get T3. And T4 is the temperature of mixture. देखो, now it's 31. So now I will add the NaOH solution in the polythene bottle. इस तरीके से आपको ट्रांसफ़र करना है और थर्मामीटर को इंसर्ट करके इसको शेक करना है. So that they will mix HCl and NaOH equimolar solutions, and they will form NaCl and water. And during that reaction, we will see that the temperature is raised. थोड़ा सा बढ़ता है, ज़्यादा भी नहीं बढ़ता है. Now it is observed that its temperature is 32 degrees Celsius. So you will note down its temperature T4. Okay, see the temperature. Now it's 32 degrees Celsius, means that mixture का temperature थोड़ा सा बढ़ता है. आपको वो T4 नोट डाउन करना है और T4 minus T3 करना है, so that you will see the rise in temperature, and using this value you will do the further calculation. Understood? So procedure is this. You will follow the procedure like this, whatever I have done. Okay.